Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and today we are going to continue exercise 3C. Okay, this exercise we are going to continue exercise 3C. Okay, the first part already we have seen the column method. Already we have seen the column method. This column method yesterday we have done. Okay, now today we'll solve with diagonal method, means finding the square. By which method? By diagonal method. Okay, yesterday we have done finding the square with column method. Today we'll do with diagonal method. This method, diagonal method. Okay, this one. So it's very easy, no need to be panic. It's very easy, just you have to follow the procedure how to solve. Now suppose if you have to find the square of 23. Okay, 23 square you have to find with the help of which method? Column method we have done. Now we'll do with the which method? Diagonal method. Okay, so again you have to make like this. 2-digit number is there. How many? 2-digit number. So 2 square is equal to what? 4. So we'll make here 4 boxes. We'll make here 4 boxes. If it will be 3 digits, suppose 136 square, we have to find the square of 136 with the diagonal method. Then 3-digit number is there, 136. So 3 digit means 3 square. Then we have to draw what? 3 square is equal to how much? 9. So in that case we'll have to draw 9 boxes. We'll discuss this later. Okay, now pay attention here. So this is 2 square, 2-digit number. This one is 23 square, 2-digit number is there. So 2 square is equal to 4. So we are making 4 boxes here. Got it? So 4 boxes we are making here, and we'll write. What will write? 23. Which number square we have to find? 23. So we'll write here 2, 3. 23. Again vertically we have written. Now here also horizontally also we'll write here 23. Okay, this one is vertical, this one is horizontal. Okay, so vertically and horizontally we'll write 23. Now we'll draw the diagonal. So we'll draw the diagonal. First of all, diagonal of this box. Diagonal of this box. Then diagonal of this box. Then diagonal of larger one. Okay. So all the diagonals we have drawn. Here 2, 3. Here 2, 3. Okay. Now what we have to do? Pay attention. First of all, this 2 and this 2 we have to multiply. Okay, so 2 into 2 how much will get? 2 into 2 4. So 4 will write here 0 4. 4 0 4. Then this 2 again we have to multiply with 3. Okay, so 2 3s are how much will get? 6. So here will just below 3 will write here 6 0 6. Got it? Now with 2 we have multiplied both these 2 and 3. Now with this 3 we have to multiply. Which one? We have to multiply this 3. We have to multiply again with 2, and so 3 2s are how much will get? 6. So 3 2s are 6 we have written. Again this 3 we have to multiply with 3. So 3 3s are how much will get? 9. So we are writing 0 9. Got it? Once again I am telling you this one. Once again pay attention here. What we are doing. So this 2 we are multiplying with this 2. So 2 2s are 4. So we are writing here 4. Again this 2 will multiply with this 3. So 2 3s are 6. So we'll write here 0 6. Now this 3 again we have to multiply with 2. So 3 to the 6. So we'll write here 0, 6. Again this 3 will multiply with this 3. So 3 3 is a 9. So we'll write here 9. Okay. Now what you have to do? Column wise you have to add. Okay. Diagonal wise. Diagonally you have to add. Okay. So diagonally we'll add this one. This is one diagonal. This is one diagonal. This is one diagonal. Okay. So if you'll add here with 9, nothing is there. So 9, you'll get 9 only. Okay. Then in this second diagonal, 6 is there, 0 is there, and again 6 is there. Okay. These three parts are there. 6, 0, 6. So 6 plus 6, how much we'll get? 12. So we'll write here 12. Got it? Now in the same way, the first digit we will underline. So we are underlining the first digit and 1 is left. So this one we have to add. Okay, just wait here. Now this column we have added. This column we have added. Now this column we have to add. How much is there? 0, 4, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. So how much we'll get here? So we'll get here how much? In this column we'll get here 4. 4. And I told you before also that in the previous one whatever will be left, that will be added here. So plus 1 is left here, so 1 will be added here. So 4 plus 1, how much will get? We'll get 5. Okay. So 5 will write here. Now come to this last column. Last column only 0 is there. So we'll write here 0. Okay. Now here only one digit is there. So one digit will underline. Here 2 digit is there. So first digit will underline. Here 1 digit is there. So only 1 digit will underline. So underlined one we will write. So how much will get? 5, 2 and 9. This 5, this 2 and this 9. So this is the square of which number? 23. So we'll write here 23 square is equal to 529. Got it? So this is the diagonal method. Once again we'll do the question from your book. Okay, question from your book will do. Now come to question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Find the square using diagonal method. 86 square. So we'll find the square of 86. Okay, what we'll find? 86 square we are going to find with the help of which method? With the help of diagonal method. So what we have to do? 86 is 2 digit number. So 2 digit number. So how many boxes will make? 2 square, that is 4. Okay. So 2 digit number, 4 boxes we have to make. 3 digit number, 3 square, that is 9 boxes. So here 2 digit number, that means how many boxes we have to make? 4 boxes. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we have made. Okay. Now we'll write 86, 8 and 6 vertically. Now horizontally 8 and 6. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this 8 into 8. Okay. Now before that what we have to do? We have to make the diagonal. Okay, we'll make the diagonal. This diagonal we have made. This diagonal we have made. This diagonal we have made. Okay. Now 8 into 8, how much we'll get? 8 into 8, 64. So 6 and 4 we have written 64. Now this 8 will multiply with 6. 8 6 is 48. So just below 6 we'll write 48. 4 8. Got it? This 8 first with 8, then this 8 with 6. Now with 8 we have multiplied both. Now with 6 we'll multiply. Okay, with 6 we will multiply. Got it? With 6 We'll multiply 8. So 6 8 how much we'll get? 48. So we'll write here 48. Okay. Then again with this 6 we will multiply 6. 6 6 is 36. So we'll write here 36. Got it? Now what we have to do? Then we have to add column wise. Okay. So column wise we are going to add it. So this is the first column, then second column, then means diagonally, not column, we will say diagonally. So here you can say only 6 is there, so we'll write here 6. Then in this diagonal, between these two diagonals, how much is there? 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 8 19. So we'll write here 9 10 19. Okay, and what we'll do, we will underline the first digit. Okay, 9 will underline. Now this one is left, this one is left, this one will add in the next part. Okay, now come to the next part. This one, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12. So we'll write here 12, and this one is left from the previous diagonal, so 12 plus 1 will add. 12 plus 1 how much will get? 12 plus 1 will get 13. Okay, now in 13 first digit we will underline. Okay, so first digit we will underline. Now come to this column, this last column, this one. Here only 6 is there, only 6 is there, so we'll write here 6. Only one digit is there, so we'll underline. Now the underlined numbers we have to write here 6, so we'll write here 6. In the second one 3 is underlined, so we'll write here 3. Okay, then in the next one 9 is underlined, so we'll write here 9. And in the last one, this one 6, so this 6 will write. So what will write? The square of 86, 86 square is equal to 6396. So this answer you'll get it. Okay, so this is the method of what? Diagonal method. This is called as diagonal method. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So you can do the rest of the question. Look at here, 137 square, 3 digit number is there, so 3 square, that means 9 boxes you'll have to make for 137 square. If you want to find the square of 137, then 9 boxes you'll have to make. Okay, like this, 9 boxes, 1 2 3 1 2 3, total 9 boxes are there. Properly I have not made, but still, so 137 is there. What is that? 137. Then what you'll do, you'll write here 137, then 137. Then what you'll do, you'll multiply. How you'll multiply? This 1 into 1 you'll write here. Oh, first of all you have to make the diagonal. Before that you have to make the diagonal. Okay, so diagonal you can make this diagonal, then this diagonal, then this diagonal, then this diagonal. It's missing vertex, this diagonal, then this one. Okay, now what you'll do, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 1, so you'll write 0 1. Again this 1 into 3, you'll write 1 into 3 3, so 0 3. Then 1 into 1, again this 1 into 1, you'll write 1 0 1. Again with this 3 into 1, you'll get how much? 3, so 0 3. Then 3 into 3, you'll get 9, so you'll write here 0 9. Then 3 into 1, you'll get 3, so 0 3. Then with 7 into 1, you'll get 7, so 0 7. Then 7 into 3, you'll get 21, so you'll write here 21. Then 7 into 7. How much you'll get? 7 into 7, you'll get 49. So here 49. This one 3 into 7 is there, no, in second column. 3 into 7, 21. So you'll write here 21 in this part. Okay. Now diagonally you have to add it. Diagonally you will add it. Okay. So this diagonal, how much you'll get? 9. Only 9 is there, so you'll write here 9. Then the second diagonal, sorry, this one second diagonal, how much we are getting? 1 plus 4 plus 3, 1 plus 4 plus 1, how much you'll get? 6. So we'll write here how much? We'll write here 6. Then the third diagonal, this one, how much we are getting? 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 1 21. So we'll write here 21. Okay, and first digit we will underline. Okay, then come to the third diagonal. How much we'll get? This one, this diagonal. So 0 3, 3 plus 3 6, and this 2 carried 2, 6 plus 2, how much we'll get here? 8. So we'll write here 8. Okay, then come to this diagonal. This one 0 1, we'll get 1 only, so we'll write here 1. Okay, then the last one is what? Only 0 is there, so no need to write 0. Got it? Now, so how much answer will get now? Finally the answer will get this 1, this 8, this 1, and this 6. This 2 was already added, don't count this one. Okay, this 2 already we have added in another part. So 1 8 1 6. Got it? So diagonal, this is the diagonal method you can do. So rest of the questions you'll try to do on your note. Okay, 256 square, then this one 67 square. Okay, so see you in the next class with a new exercise. Thank you.